Hey everyone, welcome back. March is here, and with it first signs of spring and your Social Security payments. Whether you're counting on these funds for retirement, disability, survivor's benefits, or spousal support, knowing exactly when your payment will arrive is crucial for staying on top of your finances. But this month, there's more to it than just the usual schedule. From key policy updates to financial changes that could impact your benefits, we're diving deep into everything you need to know to stay informed and prepared. Stick around, because missing even one detail could mean unexpected delays or surprises in your deposit. Let's get started. Introduction. March is a month of renewal, and for millions of Americans, it's also a time to plan around their Social Security payments. Whether you rely on these benefits for retirement, disability, survivor's benefits, spousal support, or veterans assistance, understanding the payment schedule and any changes to the system is essential for keeping your budget on track. This month, there are a few key details you need to be aware of, including slight shifts in payment dates due to the calendar, important policy updates, and financial changes that could impact your benefits. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the information you need to navigate March with confidence. And if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to hit that button. It's free, and it ensures you won't miss any vital updates that could affect your financial planning. Payment dates for March. Let's start with the most important detail: when you'll receive your Social Security payment this month. The schedule can vary depending on the type of benefits you receive and when you started receiving them. Here's the breakdown. Supplemental Security Income, SSI. Recipients. If you normally receive your payment on the 1st of the month, you'll get it a day early this March. Since the 1st falls on a Saturday, your payment will be deposited on Friday, the 28th of February. Don't worry, it's not an extra check, just an early release, because banks don't process payments on weekends. Recipients who started before May 1997. If you've been receiving Social Security benefits since before May 1997, or if you receive both Social Security and SSI, your payment will arrive on Monday, the 3rd of March. This is your regular payment date, so there's no change here. Recipients who started after May 1997. For those who began receiving benefits after May 1997, your payment date is based on your birthday. Here's how it works. If your birthday falls between the 1st and the 10th of the month, your payment will be deposited on Wednesday, the 12th of March. If your birthday is between the 11th and the 20th, you'll receive your payment on Wednesday, the 19th of March. If your birthday is between the 21st and the 31st, your deposit will arrive on Wednesday, the 26th of March. If you have direct deposit, your money should hit your account first thing in the morning on these dates. Be sure to mark your calendar and plan your budget accordingly. Important policy updates. Now that we've covered the payment schedule, let's talk about some important policy updates that could impact your benefits. The Social Security system is constantly evolving, and staying informed about these changes is crucial for your financial planning. Social Security Fairness Act. On the 5th of January 2025, the Social Security Fairness Act was officially signed into law. This is a big deal, especially for retirees who spent their careers in public service. If you're a teacher, firefighter, police officer, or another public sector worker, you may have been affected by the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, or the Government Pension Offset, GPO. These provisions used to reduce Social Security benefits for retirees who also earned pensions from non-covered employment. But now, thanks to this new law, those penalties are officially gone. This means that eligible retirees will see an increase in their monthly Social Security benefits, effective immediately. And since the law is retroactive to January 2024, lump sum payments will be issued to compensate for underpaid benefits from the past year. If this applies to you, expect to see those adjustments reflected in your payments over the coming months. Cost of living adjustment, COLA. If you noticed an increase in your check starting in January, that's because the 2025 COLA was 2.5%. This raised the average retirement benefit by about $49 per month. For those at full retirement age, the maximum monthly benefit is now $4,088. While this increase helps offset inflation, many people feel that rising costs, especially for essentials like groceries and healthcare, are outpacing these adjustments. If you're feeling that too, you're not alone. Medicare Part B premiums. Another important consideration is Medicare Part B premiums. If you have Part B, the standard monthly premium went up this year and is automatically deducted from your Social Security payment. If your check seemed a little lower than expected, this increase might be the reason. Earnings limits for 2025. If you're still working while collecting Social Security, here's something important to keep in mind. The earnings limit for 2025 is now $23,400 if you're under full retirement age. This means that if you earn more than this amount, the Social Security Administration, SSA, will withhold one for every 2 you earn above the limit. If you're reaching full retirement age this year, the earnings threshold is $62,400 with any excess added back into future payments. Avoiding scams. Unfortunately, Social Security recipients are often targeted by scammers trying to steal personal information or benefits. If you ever get a call, text, or email claiming to be from the SSA and demanding immediate payment or personal details, it's likely a scam. Remember, the SSA will never ask for your bank information or request a payment over the phone. If something sounds urgent, suspicious, or too good to be true, simply hang up and contact the SSA directly using their official number. Final tips and reminders. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips to help you stay on track this month. Review your payment schedule and mark your calendar. Check your budget and make any necessary adjustments based on the COLA increase or Medicare premium changes. Stay vigilant against scams and protect your personal information. If your payment doesn't show up when you expect it, wait 3 business days before reaching out to the SSA. Call to action. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on payment schedules, financial tips, and other important updates. And if you have any questions about your Social Security payment, or if there's anything else you'd like me to cover in a future update, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you, and your feedback helps shape what I talk about next. Thanks for spending your time with me today, and take care. I'll see you next time. The Ultimate Social Security Update. How a $33,900 boost could change your life in 3 days. Imagine waking up to find an extra $33,900 in your bank account. For millions of Americans aged 62 and older who rely on Social Security benefits, this dream could become a reality in just 3 days. Today, we're diving into the latest breaking news from Congress about potential changes to SSI, Supplemental Security Income, and SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance payments. This isn't just another update, it's a potential revolution in how Social Security benefits are distributed, and it could have a massive impact on your financial future. But before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. With so much happening in Congress right now, housing has skyrocketed, leaving many Social Security recipients struggling to make ends meet. The current average monthly payment of around $1,700 simply hasn't kept pace with these rising costs. But now, congressional leaders are taking action. A proposed emergency measure aims to address this crisis by nearly tripling current payment levels for qualified recipients. Yes, you read that right, tripling. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it's a game-changing reform that could provide much-needed relief to millions of seniors. So, how would this work? According to insiders, the funding for this massive increase would come from a combination of emergency appropriations and a reallocation of existing federal resources. The goal is simple: to ensure that no American senior has to choose between buying food or paying for essential medications. What makes this proposal even more exciting is its ambitious timeline.
To pass a groundbreaking bill that will put an extra $2,900 into the pockets of millions of Americans.
You won't need to fill out any additional paperwork or jump through hoops.
It's one of the largest increases.
3 days. Imagine waking up to find an extra $33,900 in your bank account. For millions of Americans aged 62 and older who rely on Social Security benefits, this dream could become a reality in just 3 days. Today, we're diving into the latest breaking news from Congress about potential changes to SSI, Supplemental Security Income, and SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance payments. This isn't just another update, it's a potential revolution in how Social Security benefits are distributed, and it could have a massive impact on your financial future. But before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. With so much happening in Congress right now, you won't want to miss a single update about your benefits. Let's start with the big question. How did we get here? Over the past few years, record-breaking inflation rates have hit seniors especially hard. The cost of basic necessities like groceries, medications, and housing has skyrocketed, leaving many Social Security recipients struggling to make ends meet. The current average monthly payment of around $1,700 simply hasn't kept pace with these rising costs. But now, congressional leaders are taking action. A proposed emergency measure aims to address this crisis by nearly tripling current payment levels for qualified recipients. Yes, you read that right, tripling. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it's a game-changing reform that could provide much-needed relief to millions of seniors. So, how would this work? According to insiders, the funding for this massive increase would come from a combination of emergency appropriations and a reallocation of existing federal resources. The goal is simple: to ensure that no American senior has to choose between buying food or paying for essential medications. What makes this proposal even more exciting is its ambitious timeline. Unlike previous benefit increases that took months or even years to implement, this program is designed for rapid deployment. The Social Security Administration has reportedly been updating its payment processing systems and strengthening its direct deposit infrastructure to handle the emergency measure. If approved, the increased payments could start rolling out in just 3 days. Now, let's talk about eligibility. The primary requirements are straightforward. Recipients must be at least 62 years old and currently
Trump
enrolled
and
in
Bernie
either
Sanders
SSI
have joined forces in an
SSDI
unprecedented
programs.
move to
If
pass
you're
a
already receiving
groundbreaking
benefits
bill
and
that
meet
will
the
put an
age
extra
requirement, you're in luck. The increased payments would be
2,900 into the
automatically
pockets
deposited
of
into your
millions
account.
of Americans.
You won't need to fill out any additional paperwork or jump through hoops.
It's one
The
of the
Social
largest
Security
increases in
Administration
Social
will use its
Security benefits
existing
in recent
database
history.
to identify
But their
eligible
serial
recipients.
kicker,
So the
starting March
process is
15,
designed to be as seamless
2025,
as possible.
beneficiaries will also
But what if you're
receive a
nearing
one-time
eligibility?
$700
If you're
bonus
about to turn
to help
62 or
combat
haven't yet
rising
applied for
living
benefits,
costs.
the timing
This
of
is a game
potential
changer for
change could be
seniors,
crucial.
disabled
Make sure your
citizens, and
application is
families
processed as
who rely
quickly as
on these
possible
benefits to
take
make
advantage
ends
of the
meet.
increased payments.
Stay tuned,
Of course, with
because
such
I'm
a
about to
significant
break down
change, there are
exactly how
bound
this
to be
affects you,
questions.
when you'll see the money,
Let's address some of the
and
most
what you
common
need
ones.
to do to
First,
ensure you
what
don't
happens
miss
to
out on this
Medicare premiums
life-changing
under this new
update.
plan?
This
Current
historic
information
collaboration
suggests
between
that Medicare
President Trump
premiums would
and
remain
Bernie Sanders
unchanged in
didn't
the
happen
immediate future.
overnight.
Other federal
It was
benefits,
born out of a
such
shared
as SNAP,
recognition of the
Supplemental
crushing
Nutrition
impact
Assistance
of
Program,
inflation
or
on
housing
America's
assistance,
most
would
vulnerable
also remain
citizens.
intact. This
Despite their
increase is being
political
treated as a
differences,
separate
both
emergency
leaders
measure, so it won't
prioritize the
interfere with the
urgent need
benefits you're
to
already
protect
receiving.
seniors and disabled
Second, is this
individuals
increase permanent
from the
or
rising
temporary?
cost of living.
The initial authorization
The
is set
result?
for a 12-month period,
A comprehensive
with
bill that
provisions
not
for
only
extension
increases monthly
based on
payments,
economic
but also
conditions and
includes
program
additional
effectiveness.
support for those facing
While it's not a
exceptional
permanent solution,
hardship.
it's a significant step
Starting
forward
March 15th,
in addressing the financial challenges
2025,
facing seniors.
beneficiaries across all
Now let's talk
states
about the
will
broader
begin
impact.
receiving their
This proposal
enhanced
isn't
payments,
just about helping
with the
seniors, it's about
$700
strengthening
bonus
communities.
rolling out on
Many
April
seniors help
1st,
support their children and
2025.
grandchildren.
This
And
isn't
this
just
additional
another
funding
empty
could mean
promise.
better health
The
care,
legislation has been
improved
signed,
housing, or
sealed,
even the
and is
opportunity
ready
to
for
contribute to
implementation.
educational expenses.
Now let's
for
talk
younger
about who
family
qualifies
members.
for these increased benefits.
Small businesses
The
could
coverage
also
is
see
more
an uptick in
comprehensive
customer
than
traffic
any previous
as
Social
seniors
Security
gain more
enhancement.
purchasing power.
Whether you're
This isn't
receiving
just a win
regular
for
Social Security
individuals,
retirement
it's a win
benefits,
for the economy
SSI,
as a whole.
SSDI, or
But what
VA
about the
benefits,
critics?
You're
Some argue
eligible
that
for
such
this
a significant increase might
This
fuel
universal approach
inflation.
ensures that
However,
no one
supporters
falls through the
contend that
cracks.
increased
But
spending
here's something
power among
crucial.
seniors
The payments
actually
are being
stimulates local
distributed based
economies.
on your birth
When
date.
seniors have more money
If your
to
birthday
spend,
falls
they're
between
more
the
likely
1st
to
and
support
10th,
local
expect your
businesses,
payment on
which
March
can lead to
15th.
job creation
If you're born
and
between the
economic
11th
growth.
and 20th, your
It's
payment
a ripple
arrives
effect
on March
that benefits
22nd.
everyone.
And if your birthday
Now,
is from the
let's get
21st to the
practical.
31st,
What
you'll
should you do
receive
to
yours
prepare
on
for these
March
potential
29th.
changes?
Mark these
First,
dates on your
ensure
calendar.
that your My
They're going
Social
to be
Security
important for your
account is
financial
active
planning.
and your
But wait,
information is up to
there's
date.
more.
If you've
The
recently
new
moved
bill
or changed banks,
includes a special
now is the time to
provision
update your
for those
details
facing
to avoid any
exceptional
delays in
hardship.
receiving your
If
increased
you've been
benefits.
particularly affected by recent
Second,
economic
monitor
challenges,
your bank
you might
account
be
or
eligible
benefit
for an
delivery
additional
method
support
closely.
package that
If the
includes
proposal is
potential
approved,
extra
you could see
assistance
the
with
increase in
Medicare
your very
premiums
next payment.
and prescription drug
Third,
costs. This is a
stay
lifeline for those who
informed.
need it most.
Keep an eye on official
And let's not
announcements from
forget
the
about the
Social Security
$700 bonus
Administration
payment.
for further details
While
about
most beneficiaries
implementation.
will automatically
It's also
qualify,
important to consider the
there are
long-term
certain
implications
steps you
of this
might need to
change.
take to
While the
ensure you
immediate
don't miss
boost in
out.
benefits is exciting,
Updating your
it's
information with
crucial
the
to
Social
maintain
Security
good financial
Administration
habits.
is simpler than you
Consider
might
this an
think,
opportunity
and I'll
not
walk
only
you
to
through
meet
the
your
process
immediate needs,
step
but
by
also to
step.
build savings
Here's something
or
you
pay
need to
down
know.
existing debts.
Over 40%
Financial advisors
of eligible
recommend planning
recipients
ahead for these
might
additional
miss out
funds
on these
to
increased
maximize their
payments
potential
simply
benefit.
because of
For
outdated
caregivers and those
information.
supporting elderly relatives,
This
the additional
staggering
funds could
statistic
provide
is
critical
why I'm
relief,
dedicated to
helping
helping
cover
you
in-home
navigate
care
these
costs,
changes. The
necessary
good
home
news is
modifications,
that the Social
or
Security
even allowing
Administration has
caregivers to
streamlined the
reduce work
system
hours and
to make
spend
it
more
as
time with
hassle-free
loved
as
ones.
possible.
Looking
Most
ahead,
recipients won't
this
need to take
emergency
any
measure
action
could
to
set a new
receive their
precedent for
increased
supporting
payments.
older Americans during
However,
economic
if you've
challenges.
moved recently,
It might also
changed
influence
banks, or
future
experienced
discussions
other
on
significant life
permanent Social
changes,
Security
you might need to
reform.
verify your
While this proposal
eligibility.
is a significant
Don't
step
let
forward,
outdated
it's important to remember that it's not yet official. Wait for confirmation from the Social Security Administration before making any major financial decisions. In the meantime, stay tuned for more updates. We're committed to bringing you accurate and timely information about your Social Security benefits. To recap, here are the key points. Potential payments of $33,900, a rapid 3-day implementation, automatic enrollment for qualified recipients, and no negative impact on other benefits. This could be a game changer for millions of American seniors. As we continue to update you with the latest Social Security news and information, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an important update. Drop a comment below to let us know how these changes might impact your life. We read every comment because your feedback is vital. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve even deeper into strategies for maximizing these potential new benefits. Until then, take care, keep an eye on your account, and remember that this change could be arriving sooner than you think. Your financial future truly matters to us, and we're here to guide you every step of the way, with additional insights and detailed analysis that expand on every aspect of this significant development. Hold on to your seats, because what I'm about to share will change the lives of millions of Americans aged 62 and above. Congress has just dropped a bombshell announcement that's sending shockwaves through the entire Social Security system. We're talking about $5,000 monthly deposits, starting in just 3 days, yes, you heard that right. But before you dismiss this as another empty promise, let me tell you why this time it's different, and more importantly, why you need to pay attention right now. The clock is ticking, and you won't want to miss a single detail of what I'm about to reveal. If you're receiving Social Security, SSI, or SSDI benefits, or know someone who smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell immediately, because this information is too important to overlook. I'll be providing critical updates as this situation develops. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to learn about the biggest Social Security change in history. The landscape of Social Security benefits is about to undergo a seismic shift that will redefine retirement and disability support in America. What I'm sharing isn't just another minor adjustment or temporary fix. This is a fundamental transformation of how our government supports seniors and disabled Americans. Congress has finally taken decisive action, and the results are nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine waking up to find an extra $5,000 in your bank account every single month, a sustained increase that's not a one-time payment or temporary boost, but a dependable enhancement that could fundamentally change your quality of life. Before we dive deeper into the details, let's understand why this massive change is happening now and what triggered this unprecedented response from Congress. For years, we've watched as inflation steadily eroded the purchasing power of traditional Social Security benefits. The cost of everything from groceries to healthcare has skyrocketed, while benefits have struggled to keep pace. Congress has recognized that the old system of incremental adjustments simply isn't sufficient anymore, and they've opted for a bold, transformative approach that goes beyond anything we've seen in the program's 85-year history. The timing of this announcement couldn't be more critical, as mounting economic pressures and the rising cost of living have forced many seniors and disabled Americans to make impossible choices between essential needs like food, medication, and housing. This new program isn't just about providing financial relief, it's about restoring dignity and security to millions of Americans who have worked hard their entire lives. You might be wondering what makes this program different from previous benefit increases. Unlike traditional cost of living adjustments that often amount to just a few extra dollars per month, this initiative represents a complete overhaul of the benefit structure. The $5,000 monthly deposits signify a strong commitment to ensuring that no senior or disabled American has to live in poverty or face financial insecurity. Moreover, let's talk about eligibility, which is where things get really interesting. The program's scope is remarkably inclusive, designed to catch those who might have previously fallen through the cracks of older benefit systems. If you're 62 or older and currently receiving Social Security, SSI, or SSDI benefits, you're likely already in line for these increased payments. But there's more to the story. Many people don't realize that this program extends beyond direct beneficiaries. Family members, dependents, and even certain caregivers might be eligible for additional support under this new framework. This comprehensive approach recognizes that financial security isn't just about individual benefits, it's about uplifting entire families and communities. Furthermore, let's address the buzz surrounding the implementation timeline. Although 3 days might seem like an incredibly short window for such a massive change, the Social Security Administration has been diligently preparing behind the scenes for months. By upgrading systems, training staff, and developing new processes to handle this historic increase, the entire distribution system has been completely revamped to ensure that these larger payments are processed efficiently. Their significant investment in new technology and streamlined procedures is designed to ensure that recipients receive their increased benefits without delays or complications. This effort isn't merely about sending out bigger checks, it's about creating a more responsive and efficient system for the long term. Now, consider the impact this will have on your daily life. A consistent extra $5,000 per month isn't just a number, it's a life-changing amount that could transform your retirement or disability experience. Think about it. No more having to choose between filling prescriptions and buying groceries, no more delaying necessary home repairs, and no more sacrificing your quality of life due to financial constraints. And here's something crucial that many people haven't yet considered. This program includes built-in protections against inflation. The 5,000 monthly deposits aren't fixed. They're designed to adjust automatically with the cost of living, ensuring that your purchasing power remains stable even as prices continue to rise. This forward-thinking approach guarantees that the benefits will remain significant and meaningful for years to come. The funding mechanism for this program has been carefully structured to ensure sustainability. Congress has implemented a multifaceted strategy that incorporates reformed investment tactics, streamlined administrative processes, and adjusted revenue allocations. This isn't a short-term fix that will vanish in a few months. It's a permanent enhancement to the Social Security system that aims to secure a better future for all eligible Americans. One of the most common questions I'm hearing concerns the impact on other benefits. Many are worried that accepting these increased payments might affect their eligibility for additional assistance programs. The good news is that this program has been designed to complement, not replace, existing benefits. In many cases, it may actually enhance your eligibility for other forms of support. The application process has also been simplified to make it as straightforward as possible for eligible recipients. While many will be automatically enrolled in the increased benefit program, there are some scenarios where you might need to take action. The Social Security Administration has established a new, simplified verification system to ensure everyone who is eligible can access these enhanced benefits quickly and easily. Addressing another frequently discussed point, the phase-in process. While the program officially begins in 3 days, the actual distribution of increased benefits will follow a carefully planned schedule. This schedule isn't about making people wait unnecessarily, it's about ensuring that the system can manage the massive increase in payment amounts without any technical glitches or delays. The rollout plan has been designed to prioritize those with the greatest need while guaranteeing that every eligible recipient receives their increased benefits as quickly as possible. The Social Security Administration's sophisticated system factors in current benefit levels, age, and individual circumstances to determine the precise timing of increased payments. Additionally, this program includes significant improvements to supplementary benefits. We're talking about enhanced Medicare coverage, improved prescription drug benefits, and new support services that extend beyond the monthly deposits. This comprehensive approach not only addresses financial needs, but also enhances the overall quality of life for seniors and disabled Americans. The verification process has been carefully designed to prevent fraud while making it easy for legitimate recipients to access their benefits. New security measures have been implemented to protect recipients without imposing unnecessary bureaucratic hurdles, a balance that's crucial for the long-term success of the program. Another concern that's been raised relates to taxes. This program includes provisions aimed at minimizing the tax impact on recipients, especially those in lower and middle-income brackets. While individual tax situations may vary, the primary goal is to ensure that recipients retain as much of their increased benefits as possible. If you find this information valuable, please take a moment to hit that like button and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these monumental changes. Your support helps us reach more people who need to know about these important developments. The long-term implications of this program extend far beyond the immediate financial relief it provides. It represents a fundamental shift in how our society supports seniors and disabled individuals. It's a clear statement of our values, recognizing that seniors and disabled Americans deserve to live with dignity and financial security, and it commits real resources to that ideal. Moreover, consider the positive impact this will have on local communities. When seniors and disabled individuals have access to adequate financial resources, they can remain in their homes, maintain their health, and stay actively connected to their communities. This increased participation not only supports local businesses, but also creates stronger, more resilient neighborhoods and bolsters local economies. Looking ahead, this program is more than just a benefit. It's a bold statement about our society's commitment to building a better future. It establishes a robust, comprehensive support system that will benefit future generations, creating a foundation for decades to come. The program's underlying technology infrastructure has been completely modernized to handle the increased payment amounts and new security requirements, providing recipients with new online tools and resources to manage their benefits and stay informed about any changes or updates. Finally, consider the enhanced support for dependents, a critical aspect that recognizes many seniors and disabled individuals have family members who rely on their benefits. Understanding and taking advantage of these provisions can make a significant difference for your entire household. In summary, this is the complete breakdown of the historic $5,000 monthly Social Security deposits that will begin in just 3 days. If you found this information helpful, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on any changes or new developments regarding this program. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll address them in our next update. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is crucial during these significant changes. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Share this video with family members and friends who might benefit from this important information, and stay tuned for more updates on Social Security benefits and other crucial financial news that could impact your future. Together, we'll navigate these historic changes and ensure that no one misses out on the benefits they truly deserve, forging a path to a more secure and dignified life for all Americans.
The $3,000 Golden Stimulus Check, a game changer for seniors and benefit recipients. Imagine waking up to news that could change your financial situation overnight. For millions of Americans aged 60 and older, that dream is about to become a reality. The IRS has just announced a groundbreaking $3,000 stimulus check specifically targeting seniors and benefit recipients who receive Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. This isn't just another piece of financial news. It's a lifeline designed to provide immediate relief to those who need it most. If you or someone you love falls into this category, you're about to discover how this golden stimulus check could transform your financial future. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this is one update you don't want to miss. This announcement has sent shockwaves through the benefits community, and for good reason. The $3,000 Golden Stimulus Check is unlike any previous payment. It's specifically tailored to address the unique financial challenges faced by older Americans and disabled veterans.